Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the hidden gems of the world. Today, we find ourselves in the enchanting city of Budapest, where rain can't dampen our spirits. In fact, we've discovered the 7 best things to do in Budapest when it rains. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. But before we dive into this rainy day adventure, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be joining our incredible community of explorers and helping us bring more exciting content your way. So go ahead and smash that like button right now. Great, now let's jump right into it. Number 1 on our list is a visit to the stunning Hungarian Parliament Building. This architectural masterpiece is even more captivating when seen through a rainy window. The raindrops create a magical ambiance that will leave you in awe. Don't forget to snap some Instagram-worthy shots and share them with your friends. Number 2 takes us to the famous Széchenyi thermal bath. Picture yourself soaking in warm thermal waters while raindrops gently fall around you. It's an incredibly relaxing experience that will rejuvenate both your body and soul. Trust me, your friends will be jealous when they see your photos from this unique rainy day spa adventure. Now, let's head over to number 3, the House of Terror Museum. This museum offers a chilling glimpse into Hungary's dark past. Exploring its haunting exhibits on a rainy day adds an extra layer of intensity. Share your experience with others, and together, we can remember and learn from history. Number 4 is a must-visit for all art enthusiasts, the Hungarian National Gallery. Rainy days provide the perfect opportunity to immerse yourself in the world of Hungarian art. From classical masterpieces to contemporary works, this gallery has it all. Show your appreciation for art by liking and sharing this video with your fellow art lovers. Next up at number 5 is a visit to the Great Market Hall. This bustling indoor market is a food lover's paradise, especially on rainy days. The aroma of freshly baked pastries and traditional Hungarian dishes will make your taste buds dance with joy. Like and share this video to spread the love for Budapest's culinary delights. Number 6 takes us to the majestic St. Stephen's Basilica. Raindrops glistening on its grand facade create a mesmerizing sight. Step inside and let the heavenly music from its organ lift your spirits on this rainy day. Share this video with your friends, so they too can experience the magic of St. Stephen's Basilica. Last but not least, number 7 brings us to the vibrant ruin bars of Budapest. These unique bars are housed in abandoned buildings, creating an atmosphere like no other. Rainy days add an extra touch of mystery and allure to these hidden gems. By liking and sharing this video, you'll be helping others discover these unforgettable nightlife spots. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, the 7 best things to do in Budapest when it rains. We hope you enjoyed this rainy day journey with us. Remember to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, so they too can experience the magic of Budapest in the rain. Until next time, keep exploring, keep sharing, and keep spreading the love for travel. See you soon.